Hello and welcome back to One Healthy Life. First of all, I'd like to ask you something. Have you ever been in front of your kitchen thinking, what on earth are you going to cook today? Or have you ever wake up so tired that no breakfast ideas come to your mind? Today, I bring you a video full of healthy breakfast and lunch ideas. I'm sure you will love it. Make sure to keep watching until the end of this video to get a delicious surprise bonus. Let's start with the breakfast ideas. Number 1. Oat cookies. I know what you're thinking. Isn't cookies a food we should avoid when trying to eat healthy? Yes, but only if those cookies are the ones you can find at the supermarket, full of refined sugar and empty calories. But oat cookies are totally healthy and perfect for a balanced diet. They're very simple to make. You only need oat flakes, brown sugar, sunflower oil, a couple of eggs, and if you want to make them even more delicious, add some flaked coconut to the mix. Psst! Hey, if you want to cheat just a little, you can spread some melted chocolate on the cookies. Shh! Oh, and one more thing. Subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you. Number 2. Tuna omelette. Did anybody said savory breakfast, please? For all those who prefer savory breakfast, the tuna omelette can be a great choice for many reasons. It is high in protein and vitamins. It improves your memory, protects the skin, and makes you feel happier. It is also super easy and quick to make. You only need a couple of eggs, a can of tuna, and a pinch of salt and pepper. And the best thing is that if you take it for breakfast, it will leave you full until lunchtime. Number 3. Energy boosting toast. I bet you won't be able to find a breakfast with more combinations than this. Let's be honest. Eating toast for breakfast is a classic, but we rarely stop to think about the amount of variations we can make, such as sliced mango with sliced fresh mozzarella and lime juice, or sliced pear with ricotta cheese and honey, or even smashed avocado with sliced tomato. The options are endless. Which of them will you have for breakfast tomorrow? Let me know in the comments. Number 4. Stuffed avocados. Even though it's no longer summer, sometimes we still want some fresh and light meals instead of hot soups and stews. And this is a perfect idea for those light and healthy meals that we really want to eat from time to time. So, did you know that avocado contains more potassium than bananas? It is right. And it's also very good for your eyes and heart. Incredible, right? For the stuffing, I personally love mixing canned tuna with mayonnaise, celery, red onion, and some chopped parsley. But some people prefer to fill them with chicken or mincemeat. There are many combinations. Which one do you prefer? Number 5. Pasta salad. A basic dish full of options. Pasta is a food that gives you loads of energy, but be careful. If you're trying to lose weight, I recommend you to do some physical exercise daily, because if we don't burn carbohydrates properly, they can make us gain weight. But if you are a person who does not like physical activity, better try to avoid pasta and foods full of carbs. The pasta salads allows you to make numerous variations. Choose your favorite pasta and sauce, although I recommend you dressing it with oil, salt and vinegar, because sauces such as mayonnaise can make you gain weight. After picking your sauce, add some fresh veggies such as avocado, lettuce, onion or olives. And one thing that I love to add to my pasta salad is some mozzarella balls and even chicken or turkey pieces. This will make your salad even tastier. So, what do you add to your pasta salads? Tell us in the comments to share ideas. And please subscribe. Thank you. Number 6. Surprise bonus. So, as I promised at the beginning of the video, here is the surprise bonus of an additional lunch idea. This is a super protein dish that will make you feel full of energy throughout the day, and which is very easy to take to work or anywhere you want in a simple container. Do you want to know what it is? The lunch idea bonus is Easy Beef Stir Fry. As you can see, all its content is protein, and its ingredients are very simple. The dish has meat, broccoli, carrots, sesame seeds, chili flakes, and a little bit of honey. But if you feel that this is not enough food for you, you can always add any carbohydrate such as noodles or rice to it. Looks delicious, right? Do you want more breakfast and lunch ideas? Click here to watch the second part of this video, or click here to subscribe and never miss a new video. See you in part 2.